Your lungs are one of the most abused parts of your body, especially if you've been smoking, exposed to pollution, or just breathing in city air every day. But what if I told you there's one vegetable, yes, just one, that may actually help your lungs recover? Stick around, because I'm going to share the benefits of this amazing root, why it works so well, and finally reveal what it is. Millions of people suffer from chronic cough, shortness of breath, and mucus buildup. And for smokers or ex-smokers, the damage can feel permanent. But the good news is, nature has a way of helping us heal, if we know where to look. This powerful root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It's known for its strong anti-inflammatory effects, which help reduce swelling in the lungs and airways. If you have trouble breathing or often feel tightness in your chest, this vegetable can help relax your respiratory system and promote easier airflow. Not only that, it's packed with antioxidants that fight the damage caused by smoking and air pollution. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful toxins, reduce oxidative stress, and even protect lung cells from further injury. Studies also show it has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. That means it doesn't just soothe, it actually helps prevent infections like bronchitis, colds, and coughs, and if you've ever dealt with excess mucus or phlegm. This root is known to break up and expel mucus naturally, clearing out your lungs and making you feel lighter and cleaner with every breath. Here's where it gets interesting. This root contains compounds that directly impact inflammation, one of the biggest enemies of your lungs. When your lungs are inflamed, it becomes harder to breathe and easier to get sick, but thanks to natural compounds like gingerols and shogales. Oops, did I say too much? Let's save that for later. Winking face. This root acts like a natural lung detoxifier. It doesn't just treat the symptoms. It supports your lungs in repairing themselves from the inside out. Let me ask you this, can you guess which vegetable I'm talking about? Comment your guess below. Don't cheat. Just go with your gut. Okay, ready? This magical lung healing root is none other than ginger. Yes, the same ginger you've probably used for cooking or tea, but most people have no idea just how powerful it really is for your lungs. So how can you start using ginger to help repair and support your lungs? Here are a few easy ways. Ginger tea. Slice fresh ginger, boil it in water for 10 minutes, and drink it warm. Add lemon and honey for extra healing power. Raw ginger. Add thin slices to smoothies, juices, or just chew a small piece after meals. Cooking. Use it in stir-fries, soups, or stews. It's not just tasty, it's medicine. Ginger steam. Add ginger slices to boiling water. Place your face over the steam, carefully, and inhale deeply. It can help open up your airways fast. Start small, a little goes a long way. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the Wellness Loop for more natural healing tips, especially if you're on a journey to repair and reset your health. Comment below if you want to see more videos like this, and tell me your experience with ginger. Until next time.